everybody. So நான் பேசுறதெல்லாம் கேக்குதா? கேக்குதுனா நீங்க உங்க அப்ளாஸ் மூலமா கை தட்டலாம். கேக்குதா? Okay, that's good. Okay. So we are Western Instrument teachers from Stanford International Higher Secondary School. இந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ப்ரொஃபஷனல்ஸ் கிடையாது. They are not professional guitarists or professional guitarists or professional drummers. They are just beginners. அவங்க இந்த கத்துக்க ஆரம்பிச்சு just 1 month தான் ஆகுது. So there can be mistakes, but we try our level best to give the perfect one. Okay? So we will be giving a performance of Believer song எல்லாரும் கேட்டிருப்பீங்க. So we will be giving the performance of Believer. So hope you all enjoy. Thank you. So we are going to join. Audience எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து clap பண்ண போறீங்க. But அது ஒரு டைமிங்ல clap பண்ண போறீங்க. My students will explain that timing. Ready? 1 2 3. Clap guys. 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2. Clap sound கேக்கல பா. சத்தமா. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Keep going guys. Keep going. 1 2.
Wow, that was an incredible performance. Your band really knows how to captivate an audience with your talent and energy. The way you seamlessly transitioned between songs and engaged the crowd was truly impressive. Each member brought something special to the stage, and it was evident how much passion you all have for your music. Thank you for sharing your incredible talent with us tonight.
Grade 5 and 6 children who are going to exhibit their skills through sports drill. Drill is a structured exercise designed to improve specific